discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Mazda Mazda3. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.